Imagine for a moment that you are like a tree, your head like the branches of the tree and your body the tree trunk. And in the branches are thousands and thousands of birds chatting away busily, making lots of noise. And as you exhale, those birds fly away, leaving empty branches and silence. And you drop your attention as you breathe out into your solid, stable body. And you take 3 deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. And you bring yourself more and more into your solid, stable, calm, composed body.